Hey, what is up, intelligent people? Today, as you can see, we're gonna be talking about Mmat or metamaterials. We are gonna be having a update about this. Okay, we're gonna be talking about some information that needs to be shared. Also, some kind of not news, but some kind of informations about Mmat. What are my thoughts about it, and where are we sitting at tomorrow? Where are we gonna be heading to, and all the good stuff. And as you can see, yesterday I had a prediction right here, which I think that I can change about a little bit. I can change it a little, but we will see what will be happening with it in today's video. So make sure to stay tuned and let's just get straight into it. Okay, enough talking. First of all, the information that I want to spread around is something that I saw on Reddit, and this guy has it like so well, like right, and all the good stuff. So it's from Routine Bill 2860, I guess, and he says that please share these guys. I know dark pools are a thing, but your own shares may be getting lent to the short sellers. Also, a lot of retail investors do not realize that when you sign up for an account with almost any broker, I mean, it does not mean almost any broker, they give you the option to either allow your shares that do not have a sell order attached to be lent out to the market makers and hedge funds to be sold short. This is so ridiculous if you think about the concept. I buy a stock and hold it like hoping it will go up, but I agree to lend the shares out to the shorts to help them manipulate the price down. All because of the original agreement that I don't even realize I agreed to. Okay, it just looked like a better option at the time before I even know when shorting the stock meant. Okay, many people do not realize they agree to equity lending when they sign up for accounts because it's totally sugar coated, and therefore I urge you all to either the first thing that you need to make sure you OPT out of a share lending, or B, put a sell order for as high as the broker allows and raise it as the price goes up. I mean, the second thing would be better, or B, to put a sell order as high as your broker allows and rise it as the price goes up. This will trigger the actual brokers, and I know this may sound like a plot to get you to sell your stock, but before you make assumptions, please do your own due diligence and research on share lending and what it is. Okay, help make sure that you are holding without giving the shorts ammo to continue to short with. Really look it up, and on the smart money, like the smart money concept, then we can skip right past the moon and go straight to the planet of the apes. Please do your part in helping share this knowledge. Okay, this can be a good information. As I said, just put a sell option as high as your broker allows and just raise the price whenever the price goes up, because you don't want to be stopped out or have a sell position that you didn't want to. Okay, also there was a watch list on George. I guess, yeah, he had an MMAT, then MMATF on his watch list. Then he had VUZI, then MMA, BTX, a Bitcoin with the USDT, I guess, then the Dogecoin, Tesla, Facebook, the Google, Amazon, Applied Materials, Apple, and all of these other stocks that I saw already. But I don't think that's real. As I said, the big dates are gonna be happening at right around 20th of August and 21st of August, because they are gonna be sure, like they're gonna be so like millions of dollars of like FTD shares that are gonna be covered. So yeah, like we will see what will be happening. Pretty excited about that. For example, on 20th of August, there are gonna be $42 million the FTDs times the dollars, or they're gonna be like what 5 million, yeah, like failure to deliver shares and all the good stuff. But like we will see what will be happening. Okay, and let's just talk about the Torchlight and MMAT FTD. So first of all, a lot of the people will be saying like, and we already know about it, so listen. So I'm not like completely sold out on the earnings report coming out next week. Like we will see what will be happening with that, but it hasn't been confirmed. So I'm not like hanging my hat on it until the brokers confirm it. We will see about it. Okay, now keep in mind that we need more than FTDs to get the price to jump. We are all looking for it. We need buying pressure, so hopefully we get a confirmed earnings release date coupled with some good PR here pretty soon to bring new investors and like initiate a possible squeeze. Everyone would love to see that, and if that is the case, then the coming weeks should be what we are all looking for. If not and none like of this happens over the next weeks, then I'll just keep holding because I believe in the long-term success of MMAT regardless of a short squeeze. So you either buy it for the short, I mean a lot of the people, like let's be honest, but are buying this for the short squeeze, but with short squeeze or without, this has value, okay? And that's why I was always trying to spread around the awareness of this and how beautiful and how much potential this stock has, and so on and so on. But MMAT is not like AMC or GME for cover FTDs or for TRCH, okay? I mean, the chart was kind of similar, or was it with Excel? I don't know. But this was a merger, so they have to close out positions for QSIP that no longer exists. I'm just like pronouncing it like a QSIP, but yeah, it's like CUPSID that no longer exist. Okay, I can imagine how they will hide them in the synthetic shares and options when TRCH shares are not the same as MMAT shares. They may have a trick up their sleeves, but the pressure is on them, and more eyes are on this. Okay, so the simplest thing that you can do and that you need to do, I mean, I'm not forcing you to do anything, but the smartest thing that you can do is just hold your shares and buy more if you can. If you cannot, just hold your shares, because in the long run it will pay off. Okay, just take the time and be patient, bro. That's it. That's easy. Okay, maybe this can drag on until the actual dividends are paid, which I think that will be like in this year, not in 2020, but we will see. And this is why I'm telling people to not get hopes up. We get too excited too easily, and when things don't pan out the way that the vision that we have, we lose hope, and a lot of people sell. But we don't want to do that. Okay, be ready to hold till the end of the year or even more. I mean, of course, I'm talking about this like a long-term investment. I'm holding it for like $75 max, and because all these T35 dates are all over the place, and I'm sure some of these posts are made by like a lot of the people, or by the head people that are just jacked up and hyped up, okay, on Reddit, okay? And there is no reason to not hold your shares and all this stuff. But first of all, this will be basically from me, guys. Let me know what are your thoughts about it. Consider liking and subscribing, because I will be keeping updated with these kind of stocks and some value, like some valued content. And yeah, also, something that I want to really say is that I'm hoping for a slow growth. I don't want to I mean, I would love to see that, but I'm hoping for a slow growth on this, and I have a buying, or like a buying orders right here, which I think that will be getting filled. But we're like pretty active into the market, so I think that I can get a pretty decent position right there. But yeah, this is basically for today. Again, as I said, I'll consider liking and subscribing. Thank you guys so much for sticking to the end. Bye, and have a great day for the rest of your day, and have your weekend right. Peace.